Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Well, hello students. Welcome to Class 3 English. Today we are diving into our 5th lecture together, focusing on grammar and usage. My name is Javeria Khan, and I'm so excited to help you master some very important words we use every day. Content. Our lesson today will cover the following sections: instructions, lesson objectives, the use of much and many, followed by exercise 4, the use of a few or a little, followed by exercise 5, and finally, your assignment. Instructions for students. Before we begin, please follow these instructions. Get yourself ready for the lesson. Pay your full attention throughout the lecture. Take out your grammar book. Keep all your stationery items ready. A special request to our respected parents. Please supervise your children during this session. Objectives. In today's lesson, we have 3 main goals. First, we will learn when to use the words much and many. Next, we will understand how to use a few and a little. Finally, we'll practice putting these concepts together so you can use them perfectly in your own sentences. Countable and uncountable nouns. Before we use our new words, we need to remember the difference between 2 types of nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count, like 1 book, 2 apples, or 3 pencils. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count individually, like water, milk, rice, or sugar. Remember, countable nouns can be singular or plural, but uncountable nouns are always singular. Use of much and many. Now let's look at a large amount of something. We use much with uncountable nouns, for example, much water or much sugar. We use many with countable nouns like many books or many students. Think of it this way: if you can count it on your fingers, use many. Slide 5. A few and a little. What if we only have a small amount? We use a few with countable nouns like a few books. We use a little with uncountable nouns like a little milk. So we have a few apples but a little sugar. Slide. Exercise 4. Much or many. Let's practice. I'll read the sentences and you see if you can spot why we used much or many. There are many people in the market. We can count people. How many apples do you want? There isn't much rice left. We can't count rice grains easily. Don't eat too much oily food and don't give the cat too much milk. Finally, there are many birds in the park. Slide 7. Size 5, a few or a little. Now for small amounts using few or a little, there are a few eggs on the tray. Just add a little sugar to my coffee. The painter needs a little more paint. There are a few ants on the leaf. And for our final ones, only a little jam is left, but there are a few students in the field. Assignment. Great job today. For your assignment, I want you to look around your house. Find 3 things you can count and 3 things you cannot count, then write sentences using our new words. See you in the next lesson.